I'm Jaimie Warburton. I've been working at ITPI. Just gaining the experience working in an actual work environment. The most important one is how to deal with customers and actually manage a project. So there's obviously a few of us that are involved with actually making a website from the stages of design through to the development, then the testing, and then the deployment. And it's quite important, I think, to be able to understand exactly what each person does within that chain, and then to communicate with each of you just where any changes or problems might arise, just to be able to resolve it more efficiently. So before I actually started the apprenticeship, I was doing freelance web development on my own, and I think some of the stuff I've learned from doing the actual apprenticeship involves certain aspects of the web design that you don't think about before you actually work in a more corporate environment, such as like the statistical analysis or certain forms and queries and things that go on in the back end of a website that you don't see as a front end user. So I think that's given me a lot of insight into what their client actually wants but don't really know that they want. So I'm hoping to be kept on, but otherwise I'll probably go back to freelance web design again with the added knowledge that I've gained over the last year or so.